Yep. That was mine. Move your rod. Oh, Jesus Christ. Sorry. For fucking up your rod. Whoa. Just get your line out there.
I can't because yours. Oh, come this way, come this way.
You're gonna make me fall, dude. I don't catch one right now. No, it's not. You would have been fine. Whoa. This thing feels heavy. Real heavy.
Yeah, well, that's what mine.
Someone's Red Bull just went. Come on. My arms hurt already, dude. I can't. I can't stop it, dude. My monster just went. I meant Red Bull.
Oh, wow.
Shit, there's a fucking boat. Yeah. Dude, they're right here. They're right here.
Well, I can't cast that way.
Do it. I don't give a shit.
Now my face fucked up.
Dude.
I can't do anything.
Use the little metal.
Yeah, fuck it. Yeah,
I'll hook one up for you right now.
this is fucked. Are you fucking kidding me? Now this is fucked up. Are you fucking kidding me?
Come on, buddy. I almost lost him. I almost lost him. Stop complaining.
I need my other rod fixed. Oh, come on.
Dude, I'm fine. Jesus Christ, you don't have to be an ass about it. Jesus Christ, I'm sick and tired of getting yelled at about everything.
Ready? Got him.
Oh, that was a bad release. Hopefully more come.